how to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open any browser on your system, and from there you will have to search for the Meta Business Suite account. So from there you will be able to visit the official site of Meta Business Suite. So simply from there you will have to log in with your business account, and after you log in with your business account you will be able to see such interface. So from that interface you will have to go the option setting just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on the setting icon. Alright, so after you tap on the setting icon, from the business account info section you'll have to go the option business asset, and after you click on that business asset option you'll be able to find all of the options like all post pages, add account and Instagram account. So you have to go the option Instagram account, and after you go that option you'll be able to see such interface on your home screen. So simply from your you'll have to tap on the option add Instagram account. So simply click on it. Okay, so from this interface you'll have to claim the Instagram account. So for that you will have to agree the Instagram policy. So you have to check that I agree to Instagram policy. So simply you have to check that, and after you check that you will have to just click on this option claim Instagram account. So simply click on it. Alright, so after you click on that you will be able to see such interface. So from here you will have to give your login user ID and password. So from there you will have to just enter that user ID and password, and after that you will have to just tap on the login option. So after you tap on this you will be able to see such interface. So from here it will process and it will be available to claim the Instagram account on your Meta Business Suite. So from here you can easily connect your Instagram account to the Meta Business Suite account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.